I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad.
We sit in the house, and slowly the world we're living in is getting smaller, and all we say is, please, at least leave us alone in our living rooms. Well, I'm not going to leave you alone. I want you to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. My life has value. I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
It's up. Give you $1 million. You have the opportunity. You can either leave it.
Yeah, just that.
God gives you a gift much greater than
Send me a arrest bus, we'll take care of it. Affirmative, 37 to the head.
Oh shit.
Bring it up.
There's more coming.
What's up?
Excuse me. We just can't. Just to note, there is no violence going on. All the protesting is peaceful. Yet they keep hurting us with these cannons, these sound cannons, and tear gas. How is it unlawful?
Please, I want you to clear this area. That way. Anyone who does not clear the area is subject to arrest.
It's a peaceful assembly.
You are an American citizen, and you shall be arrested for having freedom of speech and using the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. The Constitution is a very dangerous concept. Do not dare try to invoke the First Amendment of the United States Constitution. This is no longer America. This is Walmart, United States of America.
Intimidation techniques. Nice. I got you.
Arrest everybody, you damn criminals. How dare you think you have freedom of speech? There is no freedom of speech anymore. Please listen to the jackboot officers. They will tell you what to do and what to buy. Please continuing shopping and paying taxes. You have no longer any freedom of speech.
This looks like a YMCA concert.
You guys feel proud destroying the American Constitution. You guys are doing this to the American people. It's like you're doing this to your family, to your loved ones. We're all people. You're doing unconstitutional orders. You're violating the sacred oath that you have sworn to protect. How dare you sleep at night knowing that you're violating our constitutional God-given rights as free individuals? We are American citizens. This is not China. This is not Nazi Germany. And we have a freedom of assembly under the First Amendment Constitution of the United States of America. And we shall uphold our rights as American citizens because we love this country and we love national sovereignty. You are people like us. You are brothers, sisters, mothers, uncles. We are all family. USA! 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 USA!
This is not Tehran! This is not
We are here to
Tehran!
peacefully assemble, and you are here to violate our rights
This
as
is not
God-given American
Tehran! This
citizens.
is not Tehran! This is not...
You may have your LRAD. The LRAD was used in Iraq and Afghanistan against insurgents. You're now using these weapons against the American people. How do you feel about that? The LRAD is a very violent weapon that can lead to hearing loss. You guys are hurting your own people here today. Even though they are called non-violent weapons, they do cause harm against us. Why harm your own brothers and sisters standing here today who peacefully want to assemble? Why? Why turn that sound weapon on us? We have done nothing wrong. We have not broken any laws. We mean no harm to you. We don't want to hurt you. We don't want to attack you. We want to stand here as Americans because we know our founding fathers died for this very right to stand here and to express our grievances against our government, which is run by big banks.
Code. No matter what your purpose is, you must leave. If you do not disperse, you may be arrested and or subject to other police action. Other police action may include actual physical removal, the use of riot control agents and or less lethal munitions, which could cause risk of injury to those who remain. By order of the City of Pittsburgh Chief Police, I hereby declare this to be an unlawful assembly. I order all those assembled to immediately disperse. You must leave the immediate vicinity. If you remain in this immediate vicinity, you will be in violation of the Pennsylvania Crimes Code, no matter what your purpose is.
Get up now and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore!